morning, student. Today I am explaining for model question paper 4. This is a very important question for Karnataka board student and Indian state board, because all questions pattern is same. All boards, either CBSE, any other state board. Let's start for model question paper 4. Here some instructions given. Here some instruction given. Total how many question paper question is given? 38. And now each follow the instruction given against the question. Figure the right hand margin indicate maximum marks of the question. Each and every question's right side given for marks. How many marks this question? Okay. Then let's start for question first. This is the first main question. First main 4 alternatives are given for each of the following question. An incomplete statement. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. Means here one question is given, 4 option is given. A, B, C, D. Only one answer, sir. Either given a statement and incomplete statement given, you complete the statement. This is the first main. Then here first question, the rational number in the following. Means what rational number are? What is rational number? Rational number. Rational number always P by Q form. Always P by Q form, and P here Q is integer. Okay. P and Q are and Q not equals to 0. This is a definition for rational number. Rational number P by Q form and P and Q are integer and Q not equals to 0. Then tell me, this is a root 3. Rational number या irrational number? This is a irrational number. Here root 5. This is a rational number, irrational number. This is also irrational number, and this is also irrational number. Anyone ask what is the irrational number? Irrational number not P by Q form. Rational number P by Q form, but irrational number not P by Q form. And irrational number always repeating value. Just root 3 value is given 1.321321. Means always repeating value. Either in second language you told a square under square root of prime number. Prime number. If given under square root of prime number, this number is always to always what? Irrational number. Then here the square root of 3. This is also irrational number. Square root of 5. This is also irrational number. Square root of 7. This is also irrational number. Then square root of 4 values come for 2. Because 2 and 2 by 1 means this is a P by Q form. Means this is only for rational number. Answer is just C. C for cat. Okay. Then next go for second number question. Second number question is given in the figure graph y by px in the number of 0. Here figure touch या cut any x-axis? No. Then number of solution only for 0. A option. If given this type of figure, then number of solution what? 2. Because here 2 times touch cut the x-axis. Solution always x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the x dash. Here by and here by dash. Then here this number question solution is 2, but this solution is 0 because this figure does not cut x-axis, not touch, not cut the x-axis. Then number of solution is what? 0. Then next go for third number question. Third number question is the pair of linear equation represent a parallel line. If one equation is 2x plus 3y and 8, then the other equation is, what is the other equation? How can? Then 3 condition. If given 2a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is the first linear equation. Others given a2x plus b2y plus C2 equals to, this is second. There are three condition. Condition first is A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. That time only for one solution या one intersecting point. You write here one solution या one intersecting point. See second number question, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. That time only parallel line. Here third question, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. That time only for many solution. Okay, then here given 2x plus 3y equals to 8 equals to 0. Then first you option first you will take. Here 4x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0, because this question only go for by the option. Okay, then here 2 by 4 equals to 3 by 6 equals negative 8 negative 9. Then negative cancel. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. Then 1 by 2 not equals to 8 by 9. Then only first option is your answers, because this only condition the fulfill. If you go for second number question, second option, then here 2 by 9, here 3 by 3 and negative 8 by 12. Then first is not equal, then this is cancel. Same C option, D option also not match the answers. Okay, because here I need only for A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. Means we are equal A1 and B1. Here then if you multiply two numbers then come only EQ. If you multiply 3 then only come. Then here this equation you multiply 2 then comes same parallel line. But all options are wrong. Then only one A option answers. Then question number 4. Question number 4 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Then later, what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square bx plus c. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. Check which option? C option your answers. C for cat. Here question number 5. The distance between the point A x1 y1 B x2 y2. Then here this is the distance formula. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Only formula is the A option. This is a direct formula only. Then 6 number same formula question only. The formula to calculate nth term of arithmetic progression. Then n term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is a first term and d is a common difference. D is a common difference and n equals to number of terms. Okay, then which option? Option A answers. Then this is also formula question. The formula to find the mean of given data by step deviation. Then summation of mean values, mean mean denote for x bar. Then mean value is summation of fi xi by summation of fi, where fi is a frequency. Then answer is a option. Then 8 number question. Here two triangle are similar. Their condition, if two triangle A B C similar to triangle D E F. Okay, if two triangle are similar, the respective ratio, proportional ratio or side of proportional ratio are equal. Then this AB equals ratio ED equals to BC ratio EF and AC ratio DF. Then which option? Only first option. A option is the correct answer. If two triangle are similar, then this ratio of side of ratio proportional are equal. Then here 9 number question. 9 number question is this is the second main question. This is also 1 mark question. Then write the HCF of any two prime number. You always remember, if two prime numbers HCF is always 1. Just I give example. 5 is a prime number and 11 is also prime number. 5 and 11 two prime number. Any two prime number highest common factor only for 1. Because 5 and 11. 5 2s are 10. 1 5s are 5. Then HCF is what? HCF is only for 1. Why HCF 1? Because two prime number, what prime number definition? Prime number definition is if any number divide only two factor, 1 and itself, then only two factor is 1 and itself, then two either continue either not continue. Any numbers you get two prime number, always highest common factor is what? 1. Then next 10 number question. Write the degree of cubic polynomial. Then what is the first cubic polynomial? X cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a cubic polynomial. Then what is degree? Degree means highest common factor. The highest power, sorry. Degree means highest power. Then 3 is a degree. Then next, write the number of solution the pair of linear equation. Means before the question I explained already 3 condition. Then here same question. Then here you write A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 value is given 2 and A2 value is given 2. And now B1 value is given negative 5 and B2 value is given 1. And here C1 value is given 4 and C2 value is given negative 8. 2 ones are 2, then 1. Negative 5 equals to 1 by negative 2. Then not equals to. Then how many solution? Only one solution. Only one solution. Here write the nature of quadratic equation. Here same question is given x square minus 9 then equals to 0. Then nature of root how come? D equals to b square minus 4ac. Then b value is given what? Negative 4 into a into negative 9. Then come positive 36. Then greater than 0. Then here write real and distinct root. Here 3 condition. I explain here. 3 condition. If d greater than 0, then real and distinct root. Distinct matlab different roots. Okay. If second here d equals to 0 means equal roots. And third d less than 0 means imaginary roots. Okay, three condition. Next 13 number question. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining the point. Here given 1 point A. Here given B point 1 by 4, 1, 4, and here A given 5 and 4. Okay, you join this two line and here midpoint. Midpoint you denote A1. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 y 2 and y1 plus y2 y 2. Okay, then x1 formula is 5 plus 1 by 2 and x2 formula is 4 plus 4 by 2. Then 5 plus 1 6 by 2 and 8 by 2. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are. Then midpoint is 3, comma 4. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. Here A point is given 5 and 4, B point is given 1 and 4. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Then 5 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 4. Then 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, 4 plus 4, 8 by 2. Then 3, comma 4. Here 40 number question. Sin square 90 degrees value. Sin 90 value is 1. Then 1 square value is 1. Okay. Then what is the event related to probability? Then probability of event plus probability of not event values always equals to 1. Answer is probability of E plus probability of E not equals to 1. Here in the 16 number question, in the frequency distribution data mean means 25 and median value is 40. Then one formula is a mode formula. Mode formula is 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the formula. This is a formula 3 median minus 2 mode. 3 median value is given 40 and 2 equals to mean by 25. Then 3 into 40 120 minus 50. Then answer is 70. Okay, answer is 70. Here in the frequency distribution data mean value is given and median value is also given. Then find the calculate the mode. This is a formula. Mode equals to, you know this formula, without knowing not solve. Get by heart this formula. Mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 into 40 minus 2 into 25. 3 into 40 120 minus 50 70. Then this is a third main question, 2 marks question. Next video I solve this question. If any doubt, write and comment please. Any doubt you write in comment. Thank you. Have a good day.